Good morning, everyone. Headed in for day 64 here with Dayton, Caleb, and Jaden. Going to McPherson. See what kind of trouble we could get into.
Alright, heading up here now. See if the shitty kitty here lasts a day. Oh, there goes Shuffy. Oh. Cool spot. We're kind of low here, and it is super icy under here, and I don't like where I put myself, but yeah. Cool pillow field. Waterfall. So Dayton's back is pretty sore today, so he's gonna head down, save himself for the sunny day, hopefully tomorrow. So it's just Caleb, Jaden, and I now. That away. She's there. Whoa. Avoid the trees at all costs. I think he's above us. Yeah, you don't want to go up there. Whoa! Holy fuck. Oh, I guess I got that on GoPro. Jaden cut across there, fell off, and push. Couple branches. So this will be the third throttle I fixed on the mountain this year. All fixed up. And like butter. climbed a straight up wall. What the fuck was that? Oh, yeah! The snow is really crappy at low elevation here, but it's kind of deep up here. Too deep to do bow ties and shit, really. Just trying. Well, one anyway. Lots of neat features. Oh, this is cool. It's a little colder today and my steering is totally froze up.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. We didn't get in a ton of riding today since we didn't start riding till afternoon. That's when Caleb rolled into town. Tomorrow, hopefully we get some sun. Should have a pretty good group of guys out tomorrow. We'll see. I'm not exactly sure. And then I might stay for Sunday too, since it's supposed to be Bluebird. And the boss man, well, my dad said you may as well stay an extra couple days if you got a good riding crew and it's going to be some nice weather. So I think I might make that happen. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you tomorrow.